Want to back up your iPhone to iCloud so your data is safe and easy to restore? First, make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and connected to Wi-Fi. Then open Settings, tap your name at the top and choose iCloud. Tap iCloud Backup and you'll see the status of the last backup. Green means it succeeded. If you want to back up immediately, tap Backup Now while your iPhone is locked on power and connected to Wi-Fi. If the backup isn't happening automatically, check a few things. Confirm iCloud Backup is turned on. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage. You can tap your iPhone in the backup screen to see the size and which apps are included. And ensure your device is locked, plugged in, and on Wi-Fi. A gray or red dot can mean the backup is off, the device is offline, or the last attempt failed. Tapping into iCloud Backup will give you details and let you fix it. That's all it takes to keep your iPhone backed up to iCloud. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite backup tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.